living room flow. Play Nintendo with Seasonino.
What's going on, guys? Devin up here, and the grind never stops over here in this channel. So we got the MagSafe right here. We're gonna unbox it, talk about it. I got the iPhone XS. I'm gonna see if it works on there, and see how good this is. So let's talk about it, unbox it, see the specs. Let's get into it. All right, so we got the MagSafe itself. We got safety stuff right here, warranty, regulations, safety and handling. Cool. And lastly, we got what you guys care about, and that is the MagSafe itself. Nicely wrapped, nicely tucked away. Apple does a good job. And as you see, it has a USB Type-C, and here is the MagSafe itself. It has a little bit of weight to it, so let's take it out. Okay, cool. So you guys can just slide it out. All right, so here's the MagSafe itself. It has a little bit of weight on it. So all of this is metal. Right here is the charging pad where you place it. I'm gonna hook it up and see if it works for the phone. So give me 1 second. All right, cool. So my phone's on 10%, and here we go. And yes, it works. All right, so as we discovered that the MagSafe does work, and I'm pretty sure it was gonna work. I wasn't really surprised that it was gonna work. So let's talk about why it's working and what's inside of it. This is an awesome product. For the price, it's definitely worth it to be $40. Third parties sell between like about 15 also, but to 20 and 25 watt. So there are options out there with kind of maybe the same price range, maybe just $5 or $10 more, that's gonna sell a stronger charge. Like, look at Belkin as an example. Belkin has multiple wireless chargers. That's their specialty, to make chargers. Also, they're working with Apple also. So if you guys want an Apple kind of related product, but it's third party, the quality isn't as good as Apple, but you will get a stronger charge for about the same price or maybe more. Now, for it being compatible with your phone, what's inside of it is actually a QI charger. QI charging is in your phone, it's in your Apple Watch, it's in multiple phones, Galaxy phones, Samsung's phones, Sony phones, any phone you can think of, it actually has QI charging in it, which is why phones today can be used on a wireless charging pad. Because what's inside a wireless charging pad is what? You got it, a QI charging.
Correct!
Now, with that being said, let's talk about the feature of the MagSafe charger. Now, again, 15 watt, it's pretty basic, nothing really too spectacular. The price is reasonable for what it is. It could be stronger. I'm not really sure what this is really useful for at this moment in time in this day and age when there's wireless charging pads that's coming in within cars. You can find them all over the place in airports, in public places. So right now, these charging pads right now is not necessarily worth it at the moment. But if you need it for yourself for personal reasons, hey, pick one up. If you can actually, if you're a designer, you can actually place this within your desk. Pick one up. But right now, the iPhone 12 still has a lightning charger. I wish it had a lightning C charger for faster charging, but listen, Apple's going kind of slow right now. I'm not giving them no passes. I'm a fan, but listen, you gotta be criticized, you gotta be criticized. Apple, we need that C charging. Seriously, we're lacking because everyone else has it but us. I've been recording for 5 minutes now, and it's at 13%. But all right, guys, this is Devin up. The grind don't stop. I know you guys seen me at 200. Thank you. I'm gonna do a giveaway. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. It's Monday. The rules is to get this Mag charger, because I'm gonna give this away. You have to be subscribed, like this, comment down below. Those are the rules. And the people who comment have a better chance of winning. So if you comment, I'm gonna select who wins, and boom, that's the giveaway. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. Your boy's at 200. I really thank you guys for watching me, supporting me, liking my stuff, keeping up with everything, watching my funny videos. I watch my own videos too. I be laughing at it. It is so hilarious. Like the Madden videos, just the compilations, just guys, just thank you for watching. I just hope that, you know, like what I do makes your day better, makes you, I don't know, just laugh. You know, everything's going on today. I ain't gonna get into it, but I want to make videos for you guys to, like, you know, also look, see, and enjoy, and also laugh sometimes. You know, we need to just be taken out of that element what's going on. So, all right, guys. Anyway, I completed my goals for the day. Damn, I know I didn't. Yeah, I got one more to do. I've completed some of my goals today. Hope you guys completed some of your goals today. We're a goal-oriented channel over here. So guys, come subscribe. Let's share our goals together. Let's get it done. So like I said, let's end this off by saying, I got goals today. You got goals today. Let's get it done. It's Devin Up 3 and I'm out. Peace. Thanks for watching. I'm out.